In this tutorial, we'll deploy a model on DKubeX. On DKubeX, you deploy models through Model Studio, large language models, embedding models, or your own ML models. Here, we'll serve one on a GPU. Because we're deploying on a GPU, we first need a resource profile to provision it. From the top navigation, open the Resource Profiles tab. This is where your reusable CPU, memory, and GPU configurations live. Click New Profile in the top right. In the form, give the profile a name, then set it to provision a single GPU instance and pick your instance type, here, NG5 4x large. You can leave the remaining settings at their defaults. Click Save Profile, and it appears under your custom profiles, ready to attach to any deployment. Now head to the LLM catalog. This lets you browse and deploy models straight from Hugging Face or from NVIDIA NIM. In the search bar, type the model you want, in our case, Qwen 3-8B. Click its card and a deploy panel opens on the right. At the top, under Deployment Name, give your deployment a name. If you leave it blank, it defaults to the model's own name. Next, choose your inference engine. Since we're serving on a GPU, select VLLM. Then, under Resources, make sure Use GPU is checked. You'll see DKubeX has already detected an available GPU, and from the Resource Profile dropdown, select the profile you just created. For finer control, open the Advanced tab. Here you can set various custom parameters, like maximum model length or GPU memory utilization, along with any additional arguments you want to pass to the engine. Once you're set, click Deploy. You're taken to the LLM Models page, where your new deployment appears in a caching state. Behind the scenes, DKubeX pulls the model into a shared cache. It downloads just once and remounts instantly on future restarts. This first pull takes a few minutes, so we'll wait until the status turns to running. Once it shows running, your model is live. Click the deployment to open its details. The overview gives you the OpenAI-compatible endpoint URL you'll use to call the model. Config shows its full configuration. Pods shows the running pod and its status. Logs streams the live serving logs, and Events lists everything that happened during scheduling and startup. And that's how you deploy a model on DKubeX with Model Studio.